Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Northlake, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move occurs on schedule, free from stress. No matter how far you want to move, our skilled crew of movers can make moving so much easier. With us, you get all the right moving services to make moving so much easier. Working with us guarantees you get access to all the common long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Whenever you want to hire an Illinois moving company, rationalizing the expense might seem challenging. However, you want to start to notice the conveniences, the cost seems to be well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides one more advantage you get from using the best local movers. When you work with us or a team of movers, you get specialists ready to make your local move incredibly simple. If you would like a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the proper choice for you. Moving locally can be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Northlake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.